ki kwa banya klat bat nga ngamla le ye bat ngam dan kam mi ka pisa jo ki wat shinayaru
Rakhe ya ka National Sports Day ka NSS unit jong ka Bhoi College manta ka sngi kila penlong ya ka Khelo India Dialogue ka program ka bla ailat ik samla pule ban ye shimbanta ha ka jing ya kren bar un Narendra Modi halor kilat klenti ban kentiu ya ka kamil akai ha ka ri ha ka ne ka program lawan matsakilang dau Matthew Kenneth Makro nominated MDC ka KHDC rangkat ka kong Mercia Doling boxing coach jong ka Bhoi usamla Johnny Nongrum uwe na kirang e kurau bala pau ha ka jella ka kong ikhar kongor principal jong ka Bhoi College ka kong YVCM program officer NSS Bhoi College lembat kiwi ki samla pule jong ka college ki samla pule ka Bhoi College kala yo ro ya ka jingya phlew jingmut bat ki noye lakai sports ka jella ka bakan thop yo samla Johnny Nongrum ka kong Mercia Doling ki bala ai jigmut bat penslor ya ki samla bakin shim ya ka kam ya lakai kum ka we na ki lan bante ya ka lawe ban panpau ya ka sap ka jongki ya ka National Sports Day la Rakhe haman laus nem ha ka arp khandai tri unailar kum ka dak ban kan mau burom ya ka sngi kha jong we nong ya lakai hockey bala pau kari Major Dhyan Chand lengba ka program kum ka ne ka Khelo India Dialogue ba kan nang penslor su ya ki samla ban ye shimanta ha ki jinga lakai ba pher bat kantiu ya ka sap ka ba ki don ha ka liang jong ka sports.
In your journey, have you ever faced such a moment where everything felt lost? And what was that one light, that one reason that gave you the strength to never give up?
Like I mentioned earlier, in 2011, I had an accident. So I thought everything was done. And again, I told like there is two sides of everything, negative and positive. So I came back as a fighter, but through MMA. Why? Because I was jealous. Because like all the young guys, those times, are training, practicing, winning, some losing. Then I was thinking to myself, if they can, I can still can. And that I will know only after trying. Thank you.
What is your vision for the talented youth of Rainbow District with limited infrastructure toward performing in the global stage?
First contribution is I want to take my boxer to the national level. So I have many boxers participated in the national level also. Even 2 or 3 boxers, they get selected in the national games. Regarding the infrastructure, we are very poor on that. So we are trying from the district level, from the district office. So it's going on. Like we have some equipment, but not proper infrastructure. So, but when we have the dedication to participate, means we can go for them.
The National Sports Day is being celebrated across the country to mark the birthday of the legendary hockey legendary, and he is also the sports person. At the same time, he is in the army, I guess. This is Mr. Major Dhyan Chand. As you all aware that Major Dhyan Chand is the hockey wizard. That's why the government of India has decided to mark his birthday as the National Sports Day. During this current year of 2026, the government of India organized this program, that is the Khelo India Samvad. That is a dialogue which we will shortly hear the speech by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. So I hope that everyone are eager to hear his speech, and I hope that you will listen carefully what he would like to say about this event and this program and this auspicious day. My dear students present here, I would like to highlight some of the important points about this day. That is, the government of India want that today, that is the day where we mark the National Sports Day, would like to invite to all the students and especially the sports person that the government of India would like to strengthen the sports ecosystem by improving the sports facilities, the coaching, the opportunities at the grassroots level. And secondly, it's the purpose of this celebration is to nurture the young talent, whether in sports or in any event, that the students, the young talent, will come up and show the talent that they have within them, and especially to strengthen the sportsmanship and the talent for the Olympic of 2036.